first our video for English task. Okay, in this video we will show you how to install Dev C++ application. By each step you will understand how to install it. I hope you all will enjoy our video. Hi Ran.
Hi.
Why are you so nervous?
Yes, I have not installed the C++ API, and I need this application to run, and I have to make a program for my learning activity. Do you know how to install it?
Yes, I do. Let me help you.
Thanks, Hairul. Tell me how to install it.
Okay, let me explain you each step. The first step is you open the file of the C++, then click right and select Run as Administration. If the command appears, click yes. Wait until it responds. The setup is loading. They are unpacking data, then select the language, click OK, listen and agreement, select I agree, click next, then click install. Wait until the process done. After the process is done, then the command say, do you want to install Dev C++ for all users in this computer? It's depend on you. You can just select yes. Then the finish is set up. If you click finish, the app is already run and ready to use.
Well, it is not as difficult as I thought. You are brilliant.
Yes, that is so easy. Just stay on click.
Anyway, thanks, Hairul. I think we should go back to class, because class the last time has needed.
You are welcome. Let's go back to the class.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching our video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and sorry for the mistake. Right?
Yes.
See ya.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.